Hey there, health enthusiasts! Let's talk about supplements. They're like sidekicks for your health. But before you run off to the supplement aisle, remember, this is for information only. Always talk to your doctor first. They know what's best for you. Don't have a doctor? Check out MyHomeDoc Telehealth at www.myhomedoc.care. It's affordable and super convenient. Supplements can be confusing. Should you take them? Which ones are right for you? Don't worry, we'll break it down. We'll explore the world of supplements together. Get ready for a fun and informative ride, so buckle up and get ready to learn. We're about to dive into the wonderful world of supplements. By the end of this, you'll be a pro. Remember, taking care of your health is an adventure, and supplements can be a helpful tool along the way. Let's get started. Okay, let's be real. We live in a busy world. Sometimes eating perfectly isn't easy. That's where supplements come in. They're like little helpers, filling in the gaps when our diets fall short. Think of it like this. Imagine your body needs a full toolbox of nutrients to function at its best. Vitamins, minerals, you name it. But sometimes our diets are missing a few tools. That's where supplements shine. They provide those missing nutrients so your body can thrive. Pretty cool, right? But wait, there's more. Supplements can also be superheroes for specific health conditions. They can help with everything from boosting your immune system to supporting healthy bones. So while supplements aren't a replacement for a healthy diet, they can be valuable allies in your quest for optimal health. Ready for the star-studded lineup of supplements? These 5 are the A-listers of the supplement world. Let's meet them. First, omega-3 fatty acids, the Brainy Bunch. They're great for your heart, brain, and eyes. Find them in fish oil or algae supplements. Next, vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. It's crucial for bones, mood, and immunity. Now, probiotics, the gut guardians. They keep your digestive system in shape. A healthy gut means a happier you. Moving on to vitamin B complex, the energy boosters. They turn food into energy and support nerves. Finally, magnesium, the master relaxer. It helps muscles, nerves, blood sugar, and sleep. Section 4. Food first, supplements second. Now, before you go on a supplement shopping spree, remember this. A healthy diet is always the foundation. Think of supplements like the icing on the cake, not the cake itself. Eating a variety of colorful fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains is like giving your body a VIP pass to optimal health. Supplements can enhance this already awesome foundation. Think of it like this. You wouldn't build a house on just the roof, right? You need a strong foundation first. Similarly, a healthy diet is the foundation of good health, and supplements can provide extra support. So make sure you're filling your plate with nutrient-rich foods first and foremost. Then, talk to your doctor about whether supplements could be beneficial for your individual needs. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a team effort, and both diet and supplements can play important roles. Section 5, Supplement Safety 101. Ready to explore supplements? Awesome. But let's talk safety. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplements. They can guide you on the right supplements and dosages. Choose reputable brands tested for quality and purity. Look for the USP seal for quality assurance. Stick to the recommended dosage. If you experience side effects, stop and contact your doctor. Supplements enhance health, not replace a healthy lifestyle. Combine them with a balanced diet, exercise, and self-care. Stay informed, stay safe, and enjoy your health journey.